Hello guys, welcome to this Peep Show. So, is it the end of the coronavirus crisis? What is happening right now on the financial markets? This is what we are going to see. Today is a very special day because yesterday we had the Fed and Jerome Powell who just spoke and gave us some indication of what the Fed was going to do. And the Fed just said that they will not consider any negative interest rate for now. They will keep their rate at zero, and this is what they are going to do. They also bought 2,000 millions of dollars worth of mortgage-backed securities. They also are going to refinance the U.S. economy with a total of 500 millions of dollars. So this is a credit line that will be given to small and medium enterprises across the U.S. And today we have something very special. So yesterday we peaked on the Dow Jones at 25,000 points, and today we are losing some ground, and we are still facing this very special, I'll say, technical configuration. This is an ascending wedge, and normally, in 70% of the cases, um, this indicates that the bullish trend is going to end. Okay, so this is, I'll say, the theoretical aspect of it, but as we've seen during the previous trading session, every time the market was going what was going down, there were someone to buy the market back, and this is what we are seeing today. So today we experienced a short sell-off at the beginning of the European session. We were at 24,800 points, and now we are at 24,400 points, and that's it. And for now, even if I think that the most interesting risk to reward ratio is on the sell side, and it's obvious. If you're selling, you have very interesting risk to reward ratio because you have very short stop level, and you have more downside to make your performance. But the market is right now up, so I will wait for this trend and for this channel to be broken, and after that we'll have a clear selling signals, and we can enter the market. So for now, we just have to see if that level holds. Okay, so the 24,100 points level. Okay, so this is our major support level. If that level is broken, okay, we have something, but for now we just have to wait. So this is the biggest level we have to wait. Okay, if nothing happens here, nothing happens here. So we can. I will not even buy at this level, and I will not try to enter a swing buying position because my stop loss will be very low, and my I'll say my target level will be at the same distance. So basically, I will risk $1 to get $1. So here, the only scenario that is worse is the short scenario. We have to wait, and we have to wait for these configurations and this technical support to break. Okay, so this is our, I'll say, our challenge on the short term to see if that holds or not. Let's have a quick look at the commodity market and what is happening right now on the oil market, and also on the gold market. So let me switch and go over to the commodities right now. So if you look at the prices of oil today, we are making and we are winning 14%. So this is something that is unusual on the market. Yesterday, oil was losing some grounds, and the market were up, and today the market are down, and oil is up. So we see a decorrelation between the prices of oil and also the prices of the stock market. So this is something crazy because normally they have quite a positive, I would say, correlation. So when oil is up, all the values are up in the stock market, and the reverse is also true. But we are seeing some decorrelation during these phases. And also, if you look at the prices of gold, there is something that is, I would say, quite illogical because gold was on a bullish trend during the last trading session, like the stock market, but now it's holding, and we are entering a range, and we are even we don't even know if the market here will hold or not. So this is also something that is quite, I would say, crazy. Okay, we have a total declaration of the normal way the market were functioning, and this is something that we have to closely monitor. If you look at the S&P 500, this is almost the same thing. We just closed that gap. Okay, we just closed that gap, and that's why also we are finding sellers across this area. This is a huge area. Okay, so maybe we'll experience a trading range that will last a few days, and if the trading range is not paid by investor, this is what we will have. And hopefully, if it doesn't last long, we can have this. So the V-shaped recovery question is not a question anymore, because we had the V-shape and that's here. Okay, so that's a V-shaped recovery. So the question is now is, will we go here or will we stabilize here, and at the end of the year we can maybe hold that ground and try to climb back? So that's the real question. Okay, guys, we see each other on Sunday for a new peep show. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your question on the Wheel of Arya Facebook group and also on our YouTube channel. We see each other Sunday for a new peep show together. Bye bye.